Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this look, I will be doing a very simple but cute Halloween look. So right here, I'm just going in with some black polish, and I'm using Black on Black by Sinful Colors. By the way, you guys, this black is a regular polish. Okay, you guys, so after I painted her pinky, I decided to go ahead and add her glitter just so I wouldn't get glitter all over the rest of the nails that were polished. So I'm just going to go in with a gel base, and I'm using a gel glitter, but you don't have to use gel glitter. You can use a regular gel top coat, a gel base coat, a sticky layer, whatever type of gel you want to use. But I prefer using a gel coat because I feel like the glitter lasts a little bit longer. And as you guys can see, I just take a cuticle pusher and I poured the glue on top of the nail, and then I kind of dipped it just so the top edge could be covered with glitter, and then I just pat it in with my finger. I'll be adding glitter to the other hand on the ring finger, and then I'm just going to repeat the same step I did for that glitter hand. By the way, after I get done painting all of the nails black, I'm just going to go ahead and cure both hands under an LED/UV light for 60 seconds just to freeze the glitter in place. Okay, after I cure the nail for 60 seconds, once it comes out, I'm just going to take a manicuring brush and I'm just going to brush all of the excess glitter off of the nail. And as you guys can see, it was just a little piece stuck in a corner, but I ended up getting it. And I'm just going to do this on both hands. So if you guys do this step and you notice that it's a part of the nail that doesn't have glitter on it, you want to go ahead and just add a little bit more gel polish and add some glitter. Next thing I'm going to be doing is just using a small detail brush and going in with some green gel polish. This is D&D gel polish in the color Spring Leaf. And I'm just going to be adding some drips that kind of look like slime. We were going for like that slime type of Frankenstein look. And I'm just going to start them from the middle and then like connect them at the bottom, if that makes sense. When you're doing nail art, you don't want to overthink it. As you guys can see, I just kind of go with the flow and just use your creativity. So I will be curing that hand under an LED/UV light for 60 seconds. And then I'll be going in on the middle finger and just adding some drips as well. And then you guys will see me go back to the other hand and add an extra little drip to make it a little bit more even. So for the next step, I am going to be going in with my Valentino Pure non-wipe gel top coat and just coating all of the nails. And I am coating this over regular polish. So when you're doing this, you just want to make sure that your regular polish is completely dry. So you want to let them dry for about 15 minutes before you add a gel top coat. And also I only do one layer of polish if I can when I'm applying gel top coat over regular polish. And this black is pretty opaque, so I didn't need to do 2 layers. I just did one really good layer. It's going to be curing both hands for 30 seconds as always for the gel top coat. Last but not least, you guys, as always, I'm going to be going in with some cuticle oil. And I'm just in the next clip going to be showing you guys how I set up to take my pictures. And she wanted me to put a little bit more oil on her hands because she didn't want them to look ashy in the picture. So that's what you guys will see me doing with the cuticle oil in just 1 second. Here it is, you guys, me adding some more cuticle oil to her hands. And I use a fur background for my pictures. And I got this piece of fur from Joann Fabrics. And I just had them cut it to the desired length that I wanted. Make sure that you have really good lighting when you're taking pictures. And I'm just setting up the hands right here. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below and let me know what else you guys would like to see. And make sure you hit that subscribe button.